In this video, I will show the steps on how to grow lettuce in your own garden. Step 0. Preparation. First, prepare the soil with fertilizer. I made my own compost. You do this to increase the nutrients in older soil. Spread it around in the soil. Water it to spread the nutrients even more. Step 1. Make holes of around 0.5 to 1 centimeters deep. You can use the tip of the finger. Make the holes around 5 centimeters apart from each other. Step 2. Sowing. Place 2 to 3 seeds in each hole. You can sow lettuce from March to September in your garden. From sowing to harvesting takes about 6 weeks. Step 3. Cover the holes with soil. Step 4. Remove seedlings. After around 5 days, you see the seedlings above the soil. Remove the lesser and smaller ones, so on each spot only the strongest stays. Step 5. Water regularly. I did say regularly, right? Step 6. Remove weeds if necessary. Bam! They have grown! Step 7. Harvest. You harvest the leaves by cutting or picking it close to the ground or stem. If you leave the center of the plants will keep producing new leaves. Of course, you can also wait until the lettuce has grown fully, but I wanted to eat some salad. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!